Hey guys, back with y'all again. I just want to update y'all on the stuff that I've been doing. Um, I've been actually working on a shed to store my stuff in, the car parts and stuff, some of the tools, and I've actually done some videos on putting the car back together to actually bring it back home because I actually sold it to a guy and he was just playing the fool and stuff. So I decided, you know what, let me get it back and I will do something with it. So there's just a couple of videos with me installing back in some of the parts and the harness and whatever. Um, if you're new to the channel, just remember to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button. And thank you for sharing the time to come and spend with me and see my videos. Thanks.